I'll let you into a secret. I have no idea what I'm doing. Hello again, welcome back to the channel. Different place again today, although where I am I have started in this place before, but this time I'm with my friend Isabel again, and this time she's taking me to a place where it's called the Necropolis de Olderdola. Necropolis de Olderdola, that's the name of it. I have been practicing my Catalan. Apparently it's like a burial place and various markings and various things of the first settlers, like thousands of years old. And it's only, I'm not way up in the Pyrenees today, we're only about 15-20 minutes from where I live, drive. And it was a little bit raining when we left, but behind me you can probably see a little bit of blue sky. Put this hat on because it was freezing when I left, and now it's not like really cold, but I can't be bothered to take it off, so I'm going to leave it on. Also, I think I've become a bit softer to the cold weather. It's been so long since I lived in the northern England. I've become acclimatized to the warmer weather, so as soon as a little bit of chill now, put the heater on and put my hat and gloves on. Although I haven't got my gloves on yet, but I do have them with me. But it's not too bad. So I'm hoping this blue sky is coming our way rather than the grey cloud coming towards us. But it's not too bad a day, to be honest. Still a little bit of autumn colour. Won't be with us for too much longer. The autumns do last a little longer here. At least the colours on the trees last a little longer. But so yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I haven't been out for a while for various reasons. Just a short little hike really, only about maybe 10 kilometres or something, a couple of hours. So come along, join me, us, and see what we find. Enjoy. Bamboo?
No,
it looks like bamboo.
Looks bamboo, but it's,
Maybe we see pandas.
Mediterranean.
We might see some pandas eating the bamboo. Olderdola is the name of the castle, where they're saying here the traces can be seen cut into the rock channels, holes for the wooden poles, beams, storage places, etc. I'll show you inside. So, like a lot of these places, people just use it as a rubbish tip. Loads of old beer cans and whatnot. Which is a shame. If I could get inside it, I would go and give it a clean up. I'll show you from the distance here. As we came up, there's something going on where they're trying to build some more masts, some kind of electricity masts here. And there was a small, not protest, but people taking signatures to say don't allow it because where they want to build them is protected. But there was also a load of people there planting trees. It's always great to see people planting trees. Loads of kids and that involved. So I couldn't really film too much coming up there because there was just loads of them. But yeah, I've never been up here and it's not too far from where I live. So of course there's no public transport up to here. So I need to get a car. Hoping to get one in the new year. All being well. The only reason I don't drive, it's not that I'm being banned or anything, it's because I've only ever driven on the other side, like the side of the road you drive on in the UK. Is it the left? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's the left. Yeah, you're right. So even now. And the reason I haven't driven is because I haven't yet driven. I'm a bit kind of weirded out by driving on the other side and causing an accident. But then I keep thinking to myself, well, I go out on my bike and I go on the main roads and I'm fine on my bike. But I think it's a little bit different when you're in a car. So that's the reason I don't drive, and that's why I don't have a car, because I haven't built up the nerve or the confidence yet to get in a car and drive here. But once you're out in the countryside anyway, you hardly see any cars. I'll have to do it soon. I have to get onto it. Because the plan is to get a kind of van and be able to sleep in it, put like one of those, or a car, and put one of those mattresses you can get in the car, do some car camping, and I'll be able to go out to much further places around here and explore a little bit more. So that's the plan for the new year anyway.
I have a couple of mandarins if you want one.
So we're just finishing lunch here. In fact, we've just finished, and we can feel a few spots of rain. So we're gonna probably go back to the car, maybe the same way as we came, I'm not sure. It may be a slightly different route, but if it starts really pouring down, it'll be difficult to do some filming. So this place here is near Acropolis is the name of it, and to be honest, it feels quite sad. When I was stood, you'll see the size of the old where people were buried, and there's a lot of them the size of, you know, babies and children, young children. Obviously back whenever this was, it was, you know, mortality rate was obviously really high amongst, well, everyone, but I imagine especially among children. And so yeah, there's just a real, not creepy, just feel really sad, which is but it's an amazing area. And it's, again, behind me there, a huge mountain, always Montserrat. So it's obviously a place of obviously great significance, and it's been well, it's just a bit sad. But I'm not sure if I would do a wild camp here. There is a little area inside here where you could put a tent. I was saying to Isabel, I'm not sure if I'd, well, I certainly wouldn't come on my own, I don't think. I think it would creep me out a little bit too much at night. But yeah, but it's an amazing place. Before this rain comes, we're going to head off, so better pack up and get going. So yeah, as suspected, the rain has come in, so I'm going to leave the video for today. Say just a short little ramble around a local area, but it was amazing. Sort of looked like old where the tombs used to be, and they've obviously been taken out a long time ago. And but yeah, it was just a weird feeling there, but also kind of a sort of nice feeling as well at the same time. It's sort of just weird. So yeah, we're almost back to the car, as I say, about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna leave this video here today. But as always, thanks very much for watching, and hopefully see you again very soon. Till next time, look after yourselves. Bye for now.